Yeah, well, show you what's going on out here. We're putting together these gabion cages. I've never dealt with these before. This is the first time for me. Ain't no pro about them or nothing like that, because it's just eroding here. We've lost quite a bit, and before it was way out there. Put these in, we pulled a straight line. We're setting up these drops, these cutoffs off the bamboo, driving them in the sand, trying to hold the sides up straight and tie wire across in the middle of them while we start filling them up. And I think once they're full and everything, they'll be all right. We can remove all that bamboo, but this is how we're doing it. We kind of dug in here, make them flat. And the guys are toting stone and putting in here. We took on a few more guys in the community, give them some work. See, the boss is here. What do you think, boss? You give it thumbs up or 2 thumbs up? Man, Melinda, her mouth's just been salivating over these different stones for her landscaping. I told you, you better be around there picking out the ones you want. Gambling time, huh?
Yes.
You gotta go to the casino.
The casino Filipino.
She can go over and play some games with her sisters next door, sister-in-laws. Yeah. See you later, babe.
My wife, bro.
Yeah, your wife's over there too?
Only my wife and my cousin.
Yeah. This family, they get together, break up the boredom, play some games. They just do little small bets, you know. Little small bets. They just kind of really passing money back and forth between themselves, you know. One day one person's got it in their pocket, and next day somebody else has it in their pocket. I see they got the little overhang up there, a little canopy on that terrace. They got it formed. Man, it's watching that all the time right here. I said, you know, sometimes I get aggravated and frustrated here, you know. Doing business here is tough. Doing business is tough. But just living day-to-day life here, it's nice. And honestly, I enjoy the energy of all the kids, man. Sometimes they're being naughty, but that's what kids do. Yeah. Man. Sit here and just watch them. There's some boys next door, and they got pigeons, and they got these pigeons like pets and trained. They turn them loose, and they'll fly over here in these trees down through here, and then they do this little clap, 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 and call the birds back down to them, and they catch them, and you know, just sit and watch all that. You know, I just like it. I don't know, I like it. It's been a good timing during this world problem, because there's not much else you can do anyway, right? So it's a good time to what they say, put the nose to the grindstone, you know, get these things behind you and move on forward. It's been a pretty big project. I know it is, because it's not just the house I'm doing, it's all this yard and landscaping, and it's like reinforcing along the beach out here again. It's a lot. It really is. It's a lot. But I just wanted to dedicate a certain amount of my time to this and put it behind me. Just put it behind me and get back to the enjoying of life. As soon as we return next time, now we're not leaving yet. We still got a ways here right now. I'm just speaking in the future, so don't be like, oh, that vlog's done, because it's not. I'm just speaking in the future. I'm being optimistic and daydreaming. But when we return, I can instantly, with fresh mind, fresh spirit, go in there and finish out that house. And I think it'll be good. I think it's really good. Give everything a rest, let everything settle, let everything dry, cure. Don't rush it. And I mean, we're living. We got an apartment here, we're living. And go in there and do it outright. That is what I'm excited for. Look, you see where he likes to sit, you know? See, it's where he feels at home right there. Skinny, I'll get you out of jail. Give Papa time to get the money. One of the viewers, he had a legitimate comment. He's just a little confused in the situation. He was like, if you had screens on the inside, how are you gonna be able to open your window? I sat and thought about that. Now, why would he say that? Why would he say I wouldn't be able to open the window? And I realized that he thought the screens must go 100% across, like a full screen window. Well, these are just like patio doors. You see here? It's open. It's just like a sliding patio door, just a miniature version of it. There's your screen. It's only on half of it. I really feel that he must have been confused, thinking that it was going to be a full screen all the way across. There it is. And when you've got everything all closed up, your windows or your screen always stays clean, free of all of the webs and bugs and everything else that get in it, if it's always on the outside. These can work from either direction. It doesn't have one of these fixed. Sometimes you'll buy these patio doors and one panel is fixed and one slides. But in this particular case, either one of these can slide, and on either side it locks. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I think they're field medics in the Army. Well, we've been up here discussing, and we got a plan to get this whole one side prepped tomorrow. So they're getting all the junk out of the forms here right now, clean them up, stuff that's fell down in there, down in the beams. They'll get the shop vac up here tomorrow if it's not raining, and get all the sawdust and wood chips and everything. And all through the middle right here tomorrow, they're going to start pulling the steel grid and getting that ready. I'm ready to wrap up another day here. They got maybe 15-20 minutes before the day is done here right now. It's nice and cloudy, and I like that. I do. It don't bother me right now if a little rain comes here and there. It's okay with me. I'd rather have those clouds than I had all that hot sun. You notice when it got super hot, I kind of ducked out, you know. But it's starting to actually rain right now as I'm speaking. I'm seeing the dots showing up here on the plywood. We're just progressing here, and it's about to really progress. But to see windows and doors and screens and stuff in down there, that is a nice blessing as well. I appreciate all of you joining. Thank you every day that you watch our lives, our videos, the trials and tribulations, and the just facts of life that goes on with this channel. I don't candy coat things, I tell it like it is. Some people don't like that, and some people do. I I'm not such an uptight, hardcore person that everything you gotta follow these American rules and standards and OSHA and all of that kind of stuff. We're living in a laid-back island nation. People that are so uptight about the Western way, and they don't see that in my videos. You have to remember, this isn't the West. It isn't the West. And that's what I gotta say about that. Thank you very much for watching us, being great supporters. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Hello girls, how are you? See you later, man.